Installing a graywater treatment upgrade during new home construction is one of the most effective ways to reduce potable water use for irrigation. When planning a graywater treatment upgrade for a new build, focus first on source separation and plumbing layout so laundry, bathroom sink, and shower flows can be routed into a dedicated graywater line without cross-connecting to sanitary sewer. Choose an approved graywater diverter with an integrated bypass to municipal sewer and make sure its flow rating matches expected peak loads. Oversizing prevents backups. Add staged filtration starting with a coarse screen at the diverter, then a sand or cartridge filter sized for the smallest suspended solids you expect, typically in the 5 to 50 micron range depending on the irrigation method. For systems that will not use water immediately, include a covered storage tank with simple chlorine or ultraviolet disinfection and an automatic dosing or contact time control to maintain safe levels. Design storage for at least 1 to 2 days of irrigation demand so you avoid overflow during heavy rainfall. Prefer subsurface drip or buried emitters for distribution because they minimize human and pet contact while reducing odor and clogging risk. Include an accessible flush point and pressure regulation to keep emitters functioning. Before final design, consult local codes and engage a licensed installer early to ensure backflow prevention, setbacks from wells and property lines, and required labeling are integrated into plans. People often underestimate maintenance needs, which leads to filter and emitter clogging. Establish a quarterly inspection routine, clean or replace cartridges and backflush filters, and flush the distribution line seasonally to prevent buildup. A second common issue is poor separation of black water and gray water that can create health hazards. Avoid tying kitchen sink or toilet waste into the gray water system and use clearly labeled, locked access points where gray water and sewer lines run near each other. Finally, storage without proper disinfection or covered access increases pathogen risk and mosquito breeding. Use an opaque, sealed tank with simple chlorine or ultraviolet treatment and screen vents to eliminate this problem. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around projects like graywater upgrades, so we can help people find local professionals with experience in irrigation reuse. Our community discussion area lets us share lessons learned, ask questions about local code interpretations, and exchange installer recommendations.